Aquarius, how are you doing? We are beginning your reading for you, Aquarius. Today is the 9th of June, 2026, and remember this is a general reading, so if anything does not resonate with your current situation, simply release it into the universe and allow it to flow away from your energy. Take what aligns with you and leave what does not belong to your path. Before anything else, Aquarius, this is your dedicated tarot space and message channel, and we now begin. Aquarius, sending you strong positive vibrations. Angels and archangels, what is coming in for Aquarius right now? What messages are meant to be revealed for Aquarius at this moment? I am cutting the deck into 3 sections, and the first energy coming out is the Tower. There is something here that has been heavily affecting your energy, draining you, pulling you down emotionally and mentally, something that has been weighing on your spirit for a long time, and you are now stepping into a moment of release from it. This is not a gentle shift, it is a sudden break, a sudden collapse of something that was already unstable, something that was already creating stress, anxiety, and emotional heaviness in your life. And because it breaks, you are finally freed from it. What I see clearly is that after this release, there is celebration energy entering your life. Something gets resolved in your favor, something that was stuck or complicated suddenly finds a solution, and it comes through in a way that brings relief and satisfaction. It feels like a long-standing issue finally clears out completely, and you are able to breathe again. This shift brings you back to yourself, back to your peace, back to your happiness. You start feeling lighter, more aligned, more confident, and emotionally restored. Your creativity returns, your inner glow returns, your sense of self-worth strengthens again, and you reconnect with your natural Aquarius energy that had been dimmed by stress and pressure. Along with this transformation, there is also a sense of reunion energy. I see you reconnecting with people who matter to you, people who bring joy, support, and warmth into your life. There may be gatherings, celebrations, or simply moments of emotional reconnection where you feel surrounded by positive energy again. There is also something connected to home life or family energy where harmony is being restored. A situation that was previously causing emotional discomfort or instability is now resolving, and you regain balance and emotional peace. For some Aquarius individuals, this reading is also pointing toward matters involving responsibility, structure, or even children-related situations. If there was any difficulty in connection, communication, or emotional bonding in that area, I see improvement, healing, and reconnection. There is a sense of protection and positive outcome surrounding that energy, as if something that was uncertain becomes stable and safe again. What once felt complicated is now smoothing out, and emotional relief is coming through strongly. Now I am asking again, angels and archangels, what further messages are coming for Aquarius? The Justice card appears along with the Ace of Swords energy. This strongly indicates truth, clarity, communication, decisions, and outcomes being resolved in your favor. There may be a legal matter, official process, workplace decision, or structured situation where fairness is finally restored. Something that required judgment, evaluation, or external authority is now being balanced correctly, and the truth is being revealed. I see communication, meetings, discussions, and official conversations taking place. In this situation, someone who was not being honest or was acting unfairly ends up losing their position or influence, while you are recognized as being in the right. Justice is on your side. Truth prevails. Even if there was confusion before, now everything becomes clear and transparent. This outcome brings emotional relief, peace of mind, and a sense of divine fairness, as if both spiritual and material justice are aligning together for you. This situation could be legal in nature, or it could also represent workplace dynamics where authority figures step in and make a final decision. Someone above the situation intervenes and restores order in your favor. If there was someone bothering you, interfering with your peace, or creating difficulty in your environment, that influence is being removed or corrected. You are no longer going to be affected by that disturbance, and stability is restored in your environment. I also see strong zodiac influences such as Libra energy appearing prominently, along with Gemini and water sign influences. There is a person in your environment who has been pretending to be innocent, appearing harmless, almost like someone who does not cause trouble, but underneath that surface energy there was hidden intention or hidden behavior that was not aligned with your well-being. This person's truth is coming out. Their real nature is being revealed, and what was hidden is now exposed. This exposure creates resolution. Once this truth is revealed, that person loses their influence in your situation and is removed from your path. You may feel emotional satisfaction or validation because you always operated from honesty and integrity, and now that energy is being reflected back to you through outcomes. You are someone who values truth deeply, and injustice or manipulation affects you strongly, so this shift brings emotional release and clarity for you. At the same time, I also see romantic energy developing in your field. There is someone who has feelings for you but is unsure, uncertain, and overthinking everything. This person is stuck between wanting to approach you and fearing rejection or uncertainty. It feels like a past connection or someone you have already distanced yourself from. This could be someone you previously had emotional involvement with, but you have moved on mentally and emotionally because you recognize that the connection was not healthy or aligned. This person is still thinking about you, still emotionally attached, still unable to fully detach from your energy. They are considering reaching out, sending a message, trying to reconnect, or attempting to fix what was broken. However, your energy right now appears distant, firm, and emotionally unavailable toward that past situation. You are focused on your life, your responsibilities, your personal growth, your work, and your future direction. Your priority is stability, progress, and self-improvement. You are also allowing space for new experiences, new people, and new opportunities, especially in social environments, friendships, and everyday interactions. But when it comes to this past person, your energy is closed. There is no interest in returning to what once hurt or drained you. If they try to return, you will maintain your boundaries and continue moving forward. This person, however, is emotionally stuck. They may be obsessively thinking about you, replaying memories, and struggling with acceptance. They feel strong attachment but also confusion about how to approach you. Despite this, your energy does not support reconnection. You are standing firm in your decision and not allowing old cycles to reopen. Now I also see another romantic possibility emerging, especially connected to your daily environment, such as work, study, or a place you regularly attend. Someone there is observing you, noticing you, and developing interest in you over time. This person is hesitant because they are unsure about your emotional availability and may also feel that you still have some connection or presence from your past relationship energy. This creates internal conflict for them, as they are unsure whether to approach or stay distant. However, this new person is strongly drawn to you. They admire your energy, your presence, your personality, and your overall aura. They are carefully planning how to approach you in a subtle and natural way. Instead of directly expressing romantic intention, they may begin by talking about work, daily activities, shared tasks, or casual topics as an entry point. Through this gradual approach, they will slowly build connection and trust. I see this connection developing naturally and unexpectedly. Over time, what starts as casual interaction turns into emotional closeness. Eventually, this could evolve into a relationship without dramatic confession at the beginning. It grows step by step, quietly but strongly. There may also be future travel energy connected to this person, suggesting shared experiences or movement together in the future. If you are currently in a relationship, I also see your partner noticing your stress or emotional burden and suggesting relaxation, outings, or even short trips to help you release pressure. There is care and support in your existing relationship energy as well, focused on healing stress and restoring balance. Overall, Aquarius, this reading carries strong themes of justice, truth revelation, emotional liberation, and new romantic beginnings while old cycles are closing permanently. You are stepping out of a draining situation and entering a phase of clarity, stability, and emotional renewal. What once felt heavy is now being removed, and what comes next is lighter, more aligned, and more supportive of your growth.